So in this video we are going to discuss about the variation, or you can say that is a lifestyle of protests. Okay, so if we talk about the variation of the protest in size, in method of obtaining nutrients, mode of life, reproduction, and the locomotion. First of all, size. The size basically vary in the kingdom protest. They are the microscopic, from the microscopic organism like protozoa to the giant organism, which are, you can say, from microorganism to the brown algae, okay, which is 75-meter long. So it vary, okay, like it vary with the length too. They are very microscopic and the giant too. Okay, second is, if we talk about the protist, so they are the unicellular. Okay, some of them are, you can say that, in the colony form. Okay, some of them are multicellular. Okay, some of them are in the this one, some of them are in the coincitic, which means that they look like multicellular but they are not. Like, for example, this is the cell, for example, this is the nucleus, in nucleus divided. Okay, their nucleus divided, and after nucleus divided, but the cytoplasm is not divided, only the nucleus is getting divided. So that is called the xenocytic. Okay, some of them are multicellular, like plants, animals. Okay, and they are multicellular protist. Okay, so their body basically varies without the, you can say, the tissues and these all. Second is the method of obtaining nutrients. What does it mean, obtaining nutrients? It means that their kingdom protista, if we talk about, so kingdom protista, as you guys all know, in kingdom protista is the red bag in which the exclusive eukaryotes are involved. Like, they are having the certain results, like the plant, animal, fungi, they were not resemble to their kingdom. Okay, they are like their kingdom, but they were not resemble, just because of the few characteristics, first just because of the few reasons. So they were placed as in the protest, like and some animals, some plant like algae, fungi like slime molds, and these all. Okay, if we talk about the mode of nutrition, if we talk about the autotroph protest, we are having the autotroph protest, like algae, they have chlorophyll and photosynthesis as plant do. Some of them are heterotroph, which means they don't make their own food, like the water molds obtain food by the absorption as fungi do. Okay, other heterotrophs, we are having the protozoa and slime mold resemble to the animal. Okay, they ingest the food, okay, from the bodies of other organisms. So some of them are heterotroph and some of them are autotroph. Okay, they are ingestive like amoeba, they are absorptive like water moles, these are fungi. Okay, second, if we talk about the that is basically mode of life, which means some of them are mutualism, like they are having the symbiotic association with me. If one is getting help, so other is also getting help. Okay, which means both in the partnership in which both organisms get benefit. Some of them are mutualist, and some of them are parasitism, which means only one will get benefit. Okay. But most protists are aquatic and live in the ocean and fresh water. If we talk about the reproduction, they are having both reproduction, asexually as well as sexually, both. Okay, the many of produce sexually. Okay, with the both meiosis, but they are having, like, there is no development of the sex organ into them. Okay, and they have no they can form an embryo too, like we form. Okay, third is the locomotion, which means they are non-motile, they cannot move, but they move but through some kind of parts, which is pseudopodia, which is the amoeba movement. Okay, but with the help of the flagella. Okay, with the help of the cilia we have discussed. So some of them are amoeboid motion. Some basically use the waving cilia, lashing flagella, and these all. Okay, for the just of little bit locomotion and all. Some of them are having both flagella and amoeboid movement. Okay, so this was about the lifestyle of the protist. If we talk about the study of algae, that is called the phycology. If we talk about the study of fungi, which is called the mycology. Okay, so this was about the lifestyle of the protista. So in the previous video we have discussed about the introduction. In the next video we are going to discuss about the major groups of protista.